Let's see how to generate a strong password using Python. So to generate a strong password using Python, we have some parameters that we're going to ask Python to do for us. So generate a strong password using Python. This is just a command. So we need to import random. So after importing random, we can use and then we use the Google. And then we can use a symbol or number. If we want to use a number, we can put a number right here. And then we can also use a symbol. And then we can also use here, please. Yes, that's one. And then I can also use a number. And then symbol. Yes. And we can also find the lane of this is called a variable, so you can put any number of the random password that you need. So in this pass, you call for it's anywhere, and then you can put the password equal to the password that you need, and then here you need to train those random Python right here, and then we go widget, and then learn. Yes, this is what we need, and then we can add Python to 10. New password. That's the good of this, right? Doesn't matter what your password is. For this. Password. Let's see the result. Let's run it. Go. So this is how you can generate a strong password with Python. So you can just come here and change the length or the number. If I put 50 here, and then I run it, you see this is the result right here. It's too long. So if you need a short one, you just come here and reduce to 10. Come here, you reduce to 10, and then right here you have it. You have a 10 character right here. If you need it to maybe 80, you can have it 80. You can make it too long right here. Let's move on. For learn password, you need to double for line 400 sample. Guys, error, population, negative. Okay, the length is, the number of character is not all over right here, so we can limit it to 60 right here. Okay, so it has a limit, so it doesn't have to be too far. So this is how we can generate a strong password with Python. Thank you for watching this video, and see you for the next one.